What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kayla, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a super easy and affordable way to put your nails on with press-on nails. These nails I got were from Goldfinger, and it's a line that is made under Kiss. Super cute nail designs. I have the nails on now, as you can see. It's just this super simple marble look, and then it has glitter. This set here is a fire design. Literally, it's fire. Fire flames on white polish, and then it has the silver glitter. Super cute. So let's just get right on into the video. So first, what I did was take a hot bowl of water. I put it in the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes, and I'm heating up my acetone in a sandwich bag that I'm gonna let sit in that water while I foul off the gel top coat. And I let my nails sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. You're going to pick the remainder of the gel polish off, and it should come right off. As you can see, my nails are good as new. Well, not yet. We gotta put the nails on. Here are the nails, girls. Got these from my local beauty supply store. We're using some 1-drop glue. This is like some of the best nail glue you could use. I like to put the nail glue on top of the entire nail bed. That way that the nails last really long. These nails lasted me about a week and a half. To preserve your nails, you want to make sure that you do the least amount of work in water, meaning if you do have to get your hands wet, use gloves. Gloves saves your nails, girls. Use the gloves and you can preserve your nails for about 2 weeks. This is an awesome alternative for going to the nail salon. It will save you coins. These nails only cost me $6 per pack. You want to make sure that you are pressing and holding on the nail for anywhere from 10 to 20 seconds.
Robin, that shit wavy.
Alright, so now I'm just filing down the nail edges, making sure that my real nail is not showing, filing the tips, making them look more crisp, because you know that little ridge in the middle of that tip, you want that to be gone because that make it look like you got on press-ons, and we do not want that. Alright, so file that down and give it some more shade. Make it look like you just with the lean or something, you know? Make it look cute.
Robin, that shit wavy.
And lastly, I'm just adding some cuticle oil to add some moisture to my nails because child, that acetone really made my hands dry. And of course, it makes the finishing product look so much better. But thanks guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more. I love y'all. Alright y'all, so if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like this video, comment down below some more video ideas, and let me know if you're gonna try these nails out as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Love y'all. Peace.